All right, so one of my top subscribers, you might know her as Grandma, sent me a picture of you eating something this morning. What were you eating?
The ribs.
The ribs! Cooking with Bob Ribs. What did you think about them?
Amazing.
Amazing? What do you like the best? The barbecue sauce or?
Definitely the barbecue sauce.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
And you got a carry package of extra barbecue sauce with your extra leftovers. What are you doing?
What's your favorite sauce?
Did you eat some? What, did you like them? Were they really good? Well, good. You'll get to see yourself on YouTube if you're allowed to be. He's allowed to be. All right, give me 5. Thanks for liking my ribs and eating the leftovers this morning so they didn't go to waste.
Mm-hmm.
All right, buddy. Cooking with Bob back. Listen to this guy. This is what we're going to do.
Absolutely excellent, buddy.
You love them?
You make the best ribs in the world.
Oh, so let's show you how I do it. So we got a couple slabs here he brought to me. Nice. Prices are pretty good on pork at the Sam's Club here lately. $18.60 for 2 nice slabs. So let's get these things ready. I'll show you how I do it. Pretty simple. I'm a simple cooker. I don't do anything too fancy. I like smoking stuff. And let me get this thrown away and I'll show you how it's done. I'm gonna take that off. Sometimes you just grab it real easy with a paper towel, and other times it doesn't work. So you just gotta work it, find the edge, and try to get it peeled off. I do think it makes a difference, so I always pull it off, because it can get a little weird once it's cooked. Let me get this pulled off of here. Just pull that membrane off. And it doesn't get like a weird texture when you're eating your rib. Get that last little piece and you'll be set. All right, finally got the membrane off. That one was hard, I don't know, it just happens. But didn't want to bore you with that part of it, so finally got it. So as always, some Bad Byron's butt rub. Put that on, get them coated. Just like so. That's all I do. Nothing fancy. I like easy smoking. I don't like complicated. I just want to come up with a recipe that people enjoy, and it's easy to do. All right, we got that. Get this side. And that's it. Just cover them, and there again, I don't use any binders, I don't use mustard, I don't use oil, I don't do any of that stuff. I just hit them with the butt rub, tap it in, I leave them a little bit moist, I don't dry them off, and put the butt rub to them. That's it. All right, let's get these babies out there on the smoker. Let's just get them on there. I do have a chuck roast on here. I'm making into burnt ends, which is a whole nother story, another easy recipe that you'll see here shortly. All right, let's flip this. Look at that thing. Is that beautiful or what? Let's see if I can do it. One-handed, flip, we made it. All right, that's come along pretty good. And we got our ribs on. That's it. That's all I do. Just stick them on there. I got it on 180 on the Pitt Boss Pro Series, and we'll let them fly for a while, and then we'll flip them over. I always put the bottom down first and let these smoke an hour or two, and then we'll flip them and turn the heat up some. That's the game plan. All right, we're gonna put a little sauce. So what I usually do, and as you probably know, if you watch my channel, I'm an open pit guy, pretty much exclusively, because I'm old, and why change something that works? Been smoking and cooking for many, many decades, and guess what? This is the only sauce I ever use. So why change now? Although there are some pretty good ones out there on the market. I do like the Kinder's. I've tried it a couple times. I think it's pretty good stuff, but anyway, I just Throw a little sauce on the back side of these baby backs, just like so. Try to get the edges in the back. And what I usually do, I like to sauce these up on the back side. Get a little too much there, I think. But I sauce them on the back side and let them roll like another hour. They're pretty much about done. Don't have much longer to go. So get that back side all sauced up nice. And we're just gonna give them a flip. And that's what and it's storming a little bit. Just quit raining. Heard a little thunder. And that's it. You throw them on there, and I always check doneness by halfway. If they cracked or done, or not, one's not quite ready. But that one's getting close, so we'll let just the back side go. And then we'll go to the next step. All right, just dumped a little bit more Open Pitt on here. Rub that in. And that's it. We'll let these go probably, I don't know, half hour more. Something like that as we're getting everything else prepped for dinner. And that will be what's been referred to as my world famous ribs. And here we go. Let's see.
Oh yeah, look at that.
No. Probably could have went a little bit longer for the fall off the bone people, but hey, it is what it is. All right. Look at that juice. Oh, these are gonna be good. If I do say so myself.
I have the sauce that I want. This is the sauce I always is the one I talk about.
Two slabs of fine barbecued ribs. And guess what? If you like my videos, I'd be appreciative if you hit like, subscribe, and notification. And look, we got fans of all ages. Did you like my food? Was it really, really good? Do you like coming up here and eating and hanging out with people?
Ruby liked it too.
Oh, that liked it too. That's it. As always, check out some more upcoming videos. Have a great day.